Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Uh, it's going to be an interesting day today. We had a holiday yesterday, and during this while the US market was positive, it was strong on Friday's closing as well. So around 2% gains on Friday, 1% almost yesterday. So we're looking at about 3% upside in US markets in the last 2 days. Today will be the first day after Friday that will be uh, having an opening. And let us see how strong Nifty opens, one. And second, where we close, that is even more important. If we close near the high point of day with 300, 400 points gain, that will mean that we are aligned with the world markets. Even the Asian markets were positive yesterday. Today also we are seeing positivity around. So that is interesting thing to watch. There are a couple of yeah, factors that are important and worth noting. One, 23,000, as I said in the previous calls, that it's going to be a critical level. There is comfortable writing that has been seen by option writers, especially calls at 23,000 strike. So once Nifty sustains about these levels, they will have to cover their positions, and that short covering can give another push to Nifty. Second, and even more important aspect is the level of 23,100 spot. Now, this is important because the Ichimoku cloud resistance is placed there. In my previous report, weekly bulletin, I had mentioned that 23,850 is going to be the resistance. And once we give a close above this, things can go better because since our correction started from 26,300 about, since then we have not given a close on daily basis about the Ichimoku cloud level. From 2850, we did indeed see a correction. The tariff mayhem ensured that Nifty went much lower than expectations. Nevertheless, coming back to the point, 23,100 closing would mean that for the first time since the fall started from 26,300, we'll be having a close above Ichimoku cloud. So that is going to be a very critical moment. People are talking about 300 points gap up opening in Nifty, 400 points gap up opening in Nifty, while the GIFT Nifty is indeed pointing towards a start of 23,300. For me, the most critical level is going to be 23,100. A close above this would give more conviction that the downside is going to be limited. The bottom formation has been seen, and we may see going more upsides going higher. So that is going to be interesting thing to watch out for. FMCG as a space is looking good. That was part of the weekly bulletin as well. If you look at the monthly charts, long-term trend line support, long-term moving average support is placed at the lows that it made recently. So one can start nibbling in long-term structures. The good part about FMCG is majority of these names are well managed and well respected. They are expensive in terms of valuations, but the point is in stocks with high valuations, you can make money if your timing is correct. So I think from here on, FMCG is going to be interesting thing to watch out for. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.